In this video, we're going to learn a little bit more about dividing fractions. So if we have a problem like this that says, what does this model show? And write the answer as a division. We could see here we have 3 rectangles and they're divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this model shows 3 rectangles. And each rectangle is divided into 5 equal parts, which is what we just saw. So each part in the rectangle is 1/5, right? So we could see that with these strips, these fraction strips, right? So 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, and this is one whole, right? And all 3 of them are divided up that way. So now we can see that there are 5 of the fifths for each rectangle, right? We counted them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of the fifths for each rectangle. So to find out how many there are in 3 rectangles, we multiply. There's 5 of them in one, but there's 3 rectangles. 5 times 3 is 15. So there's 15 fifths fit into 3 rectangles. There's 15 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 of these fit into 3 rectangles. So what does that mean then? This means when you divide 3 into fifths, you get 15. And this is the answer. So 3 divided into fifths equals 15. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. Sometimes it makes it more clear when you just stare at the diagram for a little bit longer. And you can just rewatch the video as well. Additionally, you could download the ebook that has this lesson in it, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, I have links in the description below to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.